Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Valorant on Google devices. The only reliable way to enjoy Valorant on a Chromebook or through a Chrome browser is by streaming it from a dedicated Windows gaming computer. This approach bypasses compatibility issues, especially with Valorant's strict anti-cheat system, Vanguard, which needs a native Windows environment. You'll essentially be controlling your home PC remotely, making your Chromebook a portable gaming screen. First, prepare your Windows gaming PC. Make sure Valorant is completely installed and updated to its latest version. Next, open your Google Chrome browser and navigate to the Chrome Remote Desktop website. Download and install the host application on your PC. Once installed, enable remote access, give your computer a recognizable name, and create a strong 6-digit PIN. Remember this PIN, as you will need it to connect from your Chromebook. Now, grab your Chromebook. Open the Google Chrome browser and go to the Chrome Remote Desktop website. It's crucial to sign in with the exact same Google account you used on your Windows gaming PC. You will then see your gaming computer listed as an available device. Click on it, enter the 6-digit PIN you created earlier, and within moments, your Chromebook screen will display your Windows desktop, ready for action. For the best Valorant experience, a strong and stable internet connection is key, ideally with at least 25 megabits per second download speed. Minimize any unnecessary applications running on both your Windows PC and your Chromebook to free up system resources. You might also want to adjust Valorant's in-game graphics settings on your Windows PC to a lower preset, ensuring smoother streaming and reduced input lag for competitive play.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.